This is my apartment. That's my little puppy. The kitchen. Bathroom. John Wayne, Marilyn Monroe. My bedroom. More Marilyn. Closet, dresser. Big screen. Hey you, what you doing? What you doing? Fireplace. The big screen. The Xbox. Surfboard. And the beautiful San Fernando Valley. In the mall. Walking path. How sweet pea.